There's a look at our radar picture. The first thing we see here is all that moisture, right? We see all that green. It's not real rain this time of the year. It's that humidity. It's what you feel when you step outside. It's why your glasses fog up. It's why there's all that condensation on all the windows where the air conditioner has been running all night. We're at 72 degrees in Tallahassee and in Thomasville. We're at 68 degrees in Valdosta. So yeah, we're starting off the day on the muggy side. We're starting off the day on the warm side. We're supposed to be in the mid-60s this time of the day, this time of the year. Tomorrow is the first day of fall. There's that goose egg in the rain column from yesterday. Nothing at the airport. I know north side of Tallahassee got a decent downpour. We had some good showers for Thomasville, for Cairo, and for many other areas. But that's the nature of the scattered shower. Many of us did get up over 90 for highs, and I think we can get there again today. 73 is our number in Bainbridge, in Blakely, and Camilla. We're at 70 for Quincy and Monticello, and St. Mark's at 71. There's just nothing new coming down the road. We've got this stagnant weather pattern, and that's the way it's going to remain, I think, all the way into the early part of next week. So we're counting on just the scattered showers to slow down the temperatures. Now, we might notice a little change in wind direction today, tomorrow, as the winds try to come a little bit more from the northeast. Hopefully, with that, we can start to cool it off a little bit. But at this point, I don't think we're going to have any kind of change to more fall-like weather, not anytime soon. Look how big the eye of Maria is. It almost disappeared as the storm itself moved across Puerto Rico. But now that it's back out over the water, and you can see finally starting to take those strongest winds and rains away from Puerto Rico, it's going to work its way a little bit more to the north. The winds are down to 115 miles per hour. It's likely not going to strengthen much more. And as it moves more north, staying east of the Bahamas, that's the news the U.S. East Coast wants to hear, because typically when storms take that route, they don't impact the United States. Now, Jose is still up there, a tropical storm with winds at 60 miles per hour. It's losing those tropical characteristics, but it's still bringing some pretty high wind and rain and surf up against the northeast coast. Nothing major. All the bigger impacts are way out to sea, but you can see it on the satellite. There's at least some up against some of those big cities and those coastal areas. On the Gulf today, we're going to have winds out of the southeast and east 5 to 15 and seas 1 to 3 feet. We're looking at low tides next up about 9:15. 70s this morning, sunrise is at 7:25. This afternoon, we'll shoot for highs right around 90. Put the rain chances 40–50%. It's going to be awfully muggy out there again. For tonight, it's more low 70s, and it's staying muggy. There'll be more patchy fog for our Friday morning. Our extended forecast calls for a whole lot more of the same. I'd like to bring in some fall-like weather. Just can't do it yet, guys.